to pursue an Ateneo College education. Your being here this afternoon is a testament to your having endured those never-ending course requirements, the long hours in the lab, the grueling field visits for practicum, the nerve-wracking oral exams. Oops, no, sorry. No, you have done well, my dear seniors. Be proud of what you and your parents have accomplished. Sa mga sandaling tulad nito, tunay ngang masarap maging Atenista. How does one say goodbye in 5 minutes? Allow me to share 3 thoughts. Una, sa paglabas ninyo mula sa pugad ng Ateneo, hangad ko na sana matagpuan ninyo ang bukasyon na makapagbibigay kahulugan sa mga buhay ninyo. In the difficult and wonderfully crazy world of trying to earn a living, I do hope you can gamble this one life you have on work that is truly life-giving for you as well as for others. At the end of the 6 p.m. Mass last Sunday at Yesu, a young lady approached me, introduced herself. Sabi niya, she was an alumna, batch 2005. Then she started crying. No? At ganun yata epekto ko, no? Kapag kasama ko mga estudyante, no? Naiiyak yung mga estudyante. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, maghinahon ka, no? Hindi na orals to. No? And then she said, sabi niya, she was crying because it was the first time she had come back to Ateneo. After graduating in 2005, she had tried the corporate world for a while. But she felt a calling to actually do some sort of mission work. So she left for Mexico against her parents' wishes, came back after a year of not earning anything, and then she tried going back to the work her parents wanted her to do, but she felt that it just really wasn't for her. So she put up a school somewhere in Taguig, and she's been running that school for poor children in Taguig this past 2 years. No? And when I asked her, ba't ka umiyak? No? Sabi niya, kasi masaya-masaya ako. No? Ateneo education allowed me to, in a sense, pursue my deepest desires. So siguro yun yung aking unang hangad para sa inyo. No? Ikalawa, sa inyong paglipad, hiling ko sana na hindi kayo makalimot. Among the many things Ateneo education has gifted you with, I do hope it has allowed you to see God in the faces of the many poor whom you have come to encounter and befriend. Mga Aita ng Tarlac o Agta ng Quezon, ang mga magsasaka ng Nueva Ecija, ang mga mangingisda ng Laguna, mga babae ng Olongapo at ng Fabella, mga bilanggusan ng Bilibid, mga bata sa Pasay Youth Home o Gilead, ang mga differently abled, hindi na sila iba. May kwenta sila dahil may kwento sila. Pabaon ng mga nanay at tatay ninyo sa mga immersion area, huwag sana kayong makakalimot, umalala. Whenever I am asked why I have stayed in the Ateneo for the past 20 years, I tell people I stayed because I have met some wonderfully heroic students. And Asagra is a doctor to the Barrios, Lolen Cruz is with GK, Harvey and Solvi are with Pathways, Ami Perez is with ACE, Bam Aquino and TJ Apulto are with Happy Noy, Arnie De Vera, Aison Garcia and Marlon Manuel are with Saligan, and I can name many more students. Siguro yun yung aking pangalawang kabaon, kumbaga, kung sana kayong makalimot. Muli, sa inyong paglalayag, naway baunin din ninyo ang hamon ng inyong pagiging Atenista. Masarap maging Atenista, yan ang lagi nating sambit. Gusto kong maniwala na masarap maging Atenista dahil masakit maging Atenista. Sa isang mahiwagang paraan, ito lang yata ang daan para tunay na mabuhay. May hinihingi sa atin ang edukasyong Ateneo. Hinihingi nito hindi lamang ang pagbabahagi ng ating sobra, kundi ang pagtataya nating baguhin ang lipunang nagdudulot sa atin ng labis-labis na ginhawa. Hinihingi nito hindi lang ang pag-iwas sa katiwalian, kundi ang pagsasalita para sa katotohanan at ang pagwawasto sa mga kamalian. Hinihingi nito hindi lang ang paghahanap buhay para sa mahal sa buhay at sa pamilya, kundi ang mismong pagbibigay buhay sa iba. Lux in Domino, light in the Lord, liwanag sa Panginoon. Ikaw yon, tayo yon. Ano man ang ibato sa iyo ng buhay, trust His love and allow it to conquer your fears. Sama-sama nating sikaping magkalat ng liwanag. Sa lahat ng mga naging estudyante ko itong nakaraang taon, it has been a gift and an honor to have had the chance to learn together with you. All the best, mahal kayo sa amin.